all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze.
前段时间我在学校浪的时候，偶遇了当年在奥马哈实习的那个同学。那个同学说好久不见，咱们去餐馆攒个局吧。我说可，他表示想下馆子吃麻婆豆腐。我说还不如在家，一个菜怎么攒局？不如来我家整个火锅吃。这不，冰箱现在空的，只能请客人喝凉爽的西北风，赶紧去超市买点东西来吃。今天超市人还挺多的，感觉丸子还是要来一点的。我觉得吃火锅要是没有麻酱的话，这个火锅就没有灵魂。走吧，过来，出招猫打，拿个零食。What's up, buddy?
What's going on, dude?
How's it going?
Really good. It's hot out. But...
Just you? You said you're gonna bring someone?
Yeah, my buddy's stopping by the store and then he'll be here.
Do you want to say hi to my camera?
What's going on?
Have you ever had to like the Chongqing hot pot, like it use kind of like beef oil?
Okay, yeah. I mean, I've had hot pot before.
Yeah, they have like different kind of hot pot.
Okay. What's up?
What's up? Oh my. There's so many
Erwin, Lucas.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, how's it going?
It's going great. How are you?
I'm good. Beautiful.
I'm with a classic that couldn't disappoint.
Yeah, that's exactly the kind of beer you need with this.
I just got something random that was light and I had to have it.
Perfect.
Some lager.
That's exactly what I wanted.
I can toast in the, yeah. Do you want to wash your hands?
Yeah, I do.
Handle the food.
I do want to wash my hands.
Right there.
Awesome. Thank you.
So next time you study at UMC?
Yep.
Which year are you?
Just a first year. M1. 4 years
You got a bottle opener?
of school.
Bottle opener?
Yeah. And then 4 years of residency after that. So 8 years.
Want to start?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see.
All right, like I said, Erwin, you have to walk us ignorant Americans through it. So.
Like how I do it is usually just like I have a little bit, the sesame paste or whatever you call it, like a little bit.
Okay.
And I have a little bit garlic.
This looks awesome.
Yep.
And then the way I do it is, because this is too dry, so I will add a little bit of this inside here.
Okay.
Just make it, not too dry.
Okay. So just a little bit of this.
Yeah, and mix it, and if you feel it's like don't have enough salt, add a little bit of salt.
That's really good.
And so usually we start with meat.
Okay.
And those kind of meat get really, pretty fast. You just drop here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And wait for, it turns the color, it's like gonna, yeah, it's pretty quick. So, have you ever think what specialty you're gonna be?
I have a couple ideas, but I just joined 2 interest groups, which was the plastic surgery interest group and the orthopedic surgery interest group.
I think orthopedic is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And they make a lot of money.
Yeah. Yeah. I think they're both interesting because
Yes, thank you for handling that chair.
Yeah.
it's surgery that I can do outside of a hospital too, if I have like a group practice or something like that. So
What's next, Erwin? This is so tasty.
this is so fun. Where do you get that meat at?
Asian market, like
Really?
Oriental market, yeah.
Okay,
That's the one I go to. I go to Oriental Market as well.
this is good.
Yeah. That's exactly what kind of beer I wanted
Yeah.
to drink with this food.
So what's this? I don't think I've had this before.
Help me out.
Taro root.
Taro root.
Yeah.
Okay. I've definitely heard of it and I've definitely seen it.
Yeah. And then this is gobo root.
Gobo root.
And you can't touch it with your hands, otherwise it'll make you itch.
What?
Like the outside has some mucus. And that milk is gonna make you sting with urinating or with something. I don't know, but it's really itchy.
That's
He
good.
was cutting it up and he's like, oh my gosh, I have to get this off my hands.
So where are you from originally?
China.
China.
Like which part of China?
Yeah, where are you in China?
So like in the right middle, a city called Xi'an, and you know it's pretty Asian city, and it's like we have a lot of Tang Dynasty and all those. Like,
Okay,
you
yeah.
learn from the textbook, like the capital is there.
Okay.
So when we build the metro, like the underground, like it's really slow because they find something, like they have to dig.
Oh wow.
Like what's the word? Like the
Archaeology?
archaeologists,
Yeah.
like they have to go dig everything
And
up.
excavate everything.
Yeah,
up.
and they have like halt the metro like underground
That's really
construction.
crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is something I wish was more of a thing in the US. It's like
Yeah,
communal
same.
eating.
Yeah.
I love that.
You know something there?
I have to show you Erwin's page so you can see what he does. We'll just consider that we were getting the same price, paid the same as interns when we certainly shouldn't have been. Let's just, yeah.
What are you showing?
What's your Instagram page?
Yeah. Show him
You
the
made all those?
show him the fuck one.
Which one is that?
So go down a little bit. You see that character? This one? This character, Chinese character?
This one?
Yeah. Like it means not the literal meaning of fuck. It's like it's
Yeah.
fucking great. Like we have some kind of word as well.
Isn't crazy?
Yeah, that's sweet. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, so he does like real stuff. Mushrooms gotta be close, right?
Yep. You can try it.
Yeah, we'll see.
The worst stuff is you got diarrhea tomorrow.
I think it might be worth it.
That meat is really good.
The good part of mushroom, we can just fill with the
All the
juices.
juices, soaks it
yeah.
all up. Dude, mushrooms are my favorite. They need a little bit longer. Mine was kind
I
of
was
small,
just
so
gonna
it's
put
okay.
some.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we should put some more chicken in there. There's a lot of chicken here.
Yeah.
You can get some cooking down there.
We need enough protein.
I bet these mushrooms are close.
Oh yeah, at least that one.
That one's.
Yeah, I think if
one?
that's
That's
floating
the
around.
Oh, it looks even almost done now, honestly.
I think it's thinner.
Yeah.
Probably cooks faster.
It's so good, dude.
Probably.
It's so good.
Yeah, this is all awesome.
Sorry you guys like that.
Yeah, this
It's
is
not a lot of preparation because Nick has been there. We just finished like 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
I just cut everything and boom, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to put another one of those.
Yeah,
in.
the mushrooms are crazy good.
This one's gonna take a while.
It's like you said, it soaks up all the juices. That's
These
so
are so
delicious.
good, dude. I want these cooking. Wow, those are flavorful.
Yeah, and you still get the meaty, awesome flavor of the
Yeah.
mushrooms. Those beach mushrooms are going to be amazing too. Those are
Yeah,
some
those
of my
probably
favorite.
won't take very long.
No.
I don't know what's going on. Can
Yeah.
you guys see like a screen of
Yeah,
what I'm doing?
we can see what you guys playing.
You should turn it up a scotch.
Yeah.
The voice?
Yeah.
Oh.
All of your directions, yeah. All your directions.
Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
Oh, I dropped the tomato. I don't know where it went.
One of those?
Yeah. Dude, where is everything? The tomato's probably gone.
Look, yeah, open those.
Oh,
Right
it's in
here.
the freezer.
Yeah, be careful with the cable, just, yeah.
I see. I feel it. Oh shoot!
It's okay, you can always grab the new one.
Okay.
I was just kind of like
You're just like look at him.
Yeah. You gotta throw on what else in it? You gotta put an egg on it.
Ooh, that one's getting pretty well done. Don't worry, we'll serve it anyway.
It burned. Why are you gonna burn a CD?
I don't have a plate. No!
It burned again.
Alright, where are these eggs at, man? Oh, they're back in the fridge. Dude, they weren't there. Oh, they are.
Put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
We're good.
You got it. What else? Ah, you got it.
Oh, another one. Perfect.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it together.
I don't know what's into that. How do you know? Oh, you need it.
Maybe some milk?
Some milk. That's what I'm doing. It's not really. Maybe it's just cheap game. It has to place it right.
Oh, let's get some protein in there, honestly. Throw an egg in there. I think you blend that bad way up.
Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
Come on. There you go. Put it over
I
there.
think I found the other.
Nice.
This is so fun.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all
尾巴。其实我一直懒得做 vlog， 一是平时喜欢空着手出去，连钱包都不想拿，拿着相机多个累赘，人也比较丑，镜头感还差，只能在前面瞎比比，并且学习是非常的盲目，还有几期的视频坑完全没有填，我做视频的速度比龟速还慢。但是最近收到不少亲戚朋友们问我在美国现在怎么样，我妈日常打电话叫我明天就打飞的回家。现在美国有500多万感染，这么恐怖，你要是得上小命就没了，就算去医院把小命捞回来，医药费账单也要200万刀，瞬间就破产。而我真实的情况是，生活在这样一个小城镇，大家出门都在车上，就算出去一整天，也不会有几个近距离接触的活人。我出门都会戴口罩，身边的朋友也是，并且进门的第一件事情就是洗手。我将我能做好的一切东西做好，剩下的就只能随缘了。目前过着退休后的滋润生活，静静的等待开学后上课对我智商和体力的双重打压。谢谢大家的关心，我一切都好。明天要去水肺潜水，有缘我们下期再见。